She makes no difference. Okay, so we literally just stored above all-time highs. Wow, ES isn't. It's fucking weird, bro. What the NQ just can continue to go up, ES continue to go down. Bro, this is looking like shit. This is looking like full on shit. It's like fully just straight ass. Could just be another range type. Wait, there's no way ES actually edged all-time highs. I think it did. No, that's actually hilarious. But NQ actually just says, oh, yeah, that's bullshit. That's bullshit right there. What the fuck? Let's see if this trend line is still continuing. No, we didn't continue it that much, you know, like We are still in high time frame accumulation. That's all I'm saying. So I think I'll only play this range still. Yeah, high time frame accumulation. That's what I'm saying for today. So I'm not expecting much. I'm not expecting much upside. ES has kind of like broken this trend line to the upside. No, I'm not broken it. The NQ is continuing it. I think we're still gonna fuck around in this range though. So I reckon manipulating this 4-hour low right here would be nice. This little deal. Yeah, let's have a look. This is a protected low on a 1-hour provider. Definitely protected low. What range do I think we're in? I mean, on ES, we're still technically in this low range here. I mean, NQ hasn't manipulated any. So we're still basically in this low range. It's trend line though. This looks like some more trend line to the upside. I mean, taking out SMT at this high here, so. Oh wait, let's see the comp balance coming today. I think we're basically just on the same that we started on in this eval. Yeah, basically. It's looking like some great trend line. I can't, if we take out that, I wouldn't really mind seeing upside moves. bro. But ES and Anchor are so uncorrelated right now. Like, extremely. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think I'm going to use a bullet today. Looking for a long, taking on this low and this low to go upwards. I think that's valid. My hard time for the narrative is so bullish. I want to see us close above this red line, which is the daily opening price. So, yeah, just looking for longs in this and this area is what's looking good to me. Obviously, ideally, I would love to take a long here on NQ, but I don't know if we're going to make it there. So I think like, or either the SMT, SMT with this low. So if, once ES takes it out, and we get a nice inversion on NQ as well to the upside, I'll take that. And then otherwise, I'll just take it when NQ takes out this low. Do you know what I mean? But the fact that NQ is a lot stronger is making me think that maybe the SMT will hold to the upside, or this maybe we won't reach this on NQ. That's just what I'm going to waste. Well, not waste. Use my shots on. I have 2 bullets allowed. Oh shit. This looks like a data high as well. We had 115. It's NFP, it says, but it's not actually NFP, right? I don't know if I want to count as a data high because we did actually go up after that. The news was released. We literally just dumped, you know. There is 3 p.m. PMI, so I might have to. Lots of people are wary of it. What's Asia do? Looks like we're doing the same shit every time. Asia's just opening. Didn't dump as many points. Dumped to 160 points. And then recovered that. London just grinded up slowly. On NQ at least, and yes, it's grinded down slowly. Looks a bit like accumulation. And then no, we got some decent space on the end. But yeah, I think NQ does have quite a lot of juice left over to actually move. Yeah, so we've been getting some really slow 4-hour candles recently, I guess. Before, yesterday we were trading this, so I thought it was going to be high volatility. But ranging still, which we did. Here we're getting this. Actually, we could just play back into this range, you know, fully. I could see that happening. No, but you still do want to close bullish on the day, I'd say. That's all I'm a bit on, so I want to see us close above the daily opening price. No, I think I'm going to stick to my plan, but I could see us trading back into this range. I think we just have to see how we react off these highs. More lows. But I don't like how the 4-hour candles are just overlapping a shit ton here previously. Might be low volatility now compared to this high frequency ranging. Might just be some bullshit. I do think it is kind of valid if we don't even speak this low as well, you know, fully. Because it is a protected low, we could just be still respecting this 1 hour provider. However, I don't like the 4 hour that we have. I'm going to base off the 4 hour. I think it would be a nice time if we're going to go up to start going up though. Go 45 minutes left of that candle. Yeah, that's alright. Let me have a look at pre-market price action now. Damn, it looks like since we had this drop, we've been kind of ranging a bit. I don't like how slow we're going at the moment. I think today might genuinely be just low volatility ranging in this area, you know, fully. I could see that happening. Let's just ranging the shit down. Just because of how we've been going here, shit volatility compared to this. This is high volatility, but still in retarded range. We're still in the range, but the volatility is not looking too good. Yeah, I could genuinely see this playing out. I'd still like to see us close above daily open, so I think we could take out this LR. We maybe even edge this again, buddy. So I could imagine it's just playing it within this range today. I don't know if it'll go any higher. No, very high. I would have had more faith because I did think we were going to move a lot of points since we didn't move many points recently in the past two sessions. I thought today, this session might. But the way these counters are overlapping is kind of concerning. So it looks like it may continue into this session as well, this chop. Right. We do have some nice emerald on here as well. It would be nice to take some longs around this area if this is protected. These aren't protected at all. Yeah. We had this. This was an SMT, which caused us to go here. So London hasn't manipulated Asia's high or low. Actually, no, this is Asia's high. Here. Yeah, London manipulates. I'm not looking for that. I really want to see this get taken out before we go higher, I can't lie. I don't want to be logging straight off here, I do want to wait for some type of liquidity to come around. And then go up. Yeah. That looks a lot better than what I think. Because like, but this is just accumulation. Yeah. Accumulation once you get manipulated. Just see us go higher. Yeah. That seems like the plan. The market's open right now. I'm predicting. Well, I'm predicting. Yeah, well, I'm predicting for today as well, and just for this market open here. So I think we're gonna reject this, come down, take out this liquidity, go higher. I think this is probably protected on NQ at least. I would like to see it get protected on ES as well, don't I? Oh, never mind. I could genuinely just enter stream. That might be the craziest fucking opening time I've ever seen. We jumped tonight. Well, it's probably because we were really low volatile beforehand, anyways. Yeah, I think we were. Yeah, it's only. So I mean, it's a 40-point candle, which is massive, but that's small for market open. Oh my. But something else I've noticed is that if this is the lowest I want to see us go on ES, maybe that's all we want to do. Yeah, seems like that was a call then, I guess. Internal manipulation, 3-minute IFG. Yeah, but see, that could have been the move then, after taking out just this liquidity. It's quite a nice sell side below. Still. Well, we just swept all time highs again. It looks like we're just gonna continue. There's no way, bro. Well, I'm gonna have to enter on some type of retracement then. Yeah, that might have been that trade. This sell side. Unless ES still wants to respect the fair value gap. And then he maybe just want to take out data high first. We'll see.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, so yeah, ES was weaker. I think ES, maybe this could have just been for ES to fucking top its free value gap, and then we might go lower, take out the LR, and then go higher. I can't remember. Hopefully that's the case at least. That would be nice. Yeah, I mean, looks like I might have been right, mate. I could catch some nasty shorts here, should I? I think ES won't. I think ES might just lag while NQ comes out and takes out this shit. Damn. I probably should have been ready for this. As in, like, possibly even take it. Yeah. Okay, I think maybe in the future. No, but I only want to take that trade in it. Because we still might do some retardation to the upside, but I could have probably taken this, you know, genuinely, as soon as we had this death candle. Could have taken this. Yeah, it would have been a nice trade. Aiming for it all the way down here. This will work out, in my opinion. And if I've predicted this open perfectly, I'm actually the GOAT. Yeah, no, that's definitely getting hit. At least this one's gonna get hit. This one should get hit. But the volatility is kicked in though. And the fact that's not even in this one direction. We might be in for a great day today. That could have been a 100-point trade in like 2 seconds, mate. Fuck you. No, but I'll keep that in mind for next time, I guess. Because we were going opposite direction. I thought we were going to go in. But at the same time, I don't really want to see ES break its level. So I guess I'm chilling. Might as well stick by that one. This is still on range. Yeah, if we take out this, we're in discount my range, so I think we're coming in. This is going to get protected. Take out this, come below 50%, which is this red line of this range. Yeah, chill anyway. We manipulate the high as well, which is crazy. Yeah, bro, I should have gotten it. I should have gotten on this again. I really should have. Okay, so we took out that first draw I wanted to see get taken out. The reason I just want to see this guy taken out as well is just because it's relatively equal to that. And I don't know how I'd feel if I'm taking this trade, this sell side still here. That's not very high resistance. It's not in like a fair value gap or anything. No, don't go up. Surely we don't go off this, man. Like, surely, mate. I mean, we did hit into discount, take that LR out. This could be it. There was no low time frame for Varga, and we do have this low, so I think if we inverse this, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go long. Because if I want to see ES, so respect that low. I'll not take it out. This is the highest time frame I have on it. Yeah, seems pretty valid if we actually look respect in this shit. Yeah, well, this is the conditions. If we inverse that, I think we're going to start going upside now. I think we've probably taken enough liquidity. Would be kind of valid. But okay, looks like ES is going to take all that low. Looks good. Maybe this is just we took all that liquidity, we run into this 3 minute, probably will take this out as well. That's what the 4 hours looking like. Okay, I do want to see us start coming up now. Maybe, oof, this could be nice. Right, so we didn't get a nice inverse of that at least. Let's just see what we get. We haven't had a V-shaped recovery off ES as well yet, so I'm still pretty reserved. But if ES in this case create like a 1 minute fair value gap and inverse that, and then we inverse this 3 minute to the upside, I would have definitely taken that. It's worth a shot. Let's see this. Come on, yes, keep coming down. Take a bail out, man. Alright. Combing jaws in forest living space on you. Come on, keep coming, 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 keep coming. Alright, this is it. Now I'm gonna look for IPG to upside. That. Damn. Yo, what the fuck's going on? Yo! I didn't want to see us go this low, mate. So... Okay, let me actually hurry up and look for a reversal here, because sometimes I might miss it out. Because I'm just fucking taking the piss. Yes, looks like it wants to take this shit out, mate. Maybe NQ does also want to take out this low then. If ES takes it, I think, yeah, even if ES just takes it, I'll be happy with taking it. Taking the SMT if we get an entry model there. Oof. Well, both fucking charts are in sync now, mate. Which is good though. So once both of these take it, I could probably find some nice longs in. Oh wait. Oh wait, never mind. They're not both in sync. This is a whole different low. So Asia already, and ES already took out this low. Let's go for this low. I don't know how I feel about that, but it is still in the discounted range. That's in the 25 DRT. Clean up my chart a bit now. Actually, not. Let me keep the shot on. I like how we're moving though. I figured she was gonna do more regardless. Alright, we touched this. I want to see a V-shape recovery here. Is there any certain fair value gaps for me to take? Nah, there's no nice fair value gaps for me to take, so I might have to take like a simple V-shape recovery with that line. Yo, you have to slow down now, man. Yo, come on. There's no way I've just missed out on the shorts of my life. Nah, whatever the exit though. That's crazy. There's no way today's the day that we actually break this fucking range. I doubt it. Just for talking nonsense, promise you leave it. So I took her out. Oh, never mind, wait. Okay then, well, let's see how we react here then. It's crazy to me though. So it looks like this range is... I genuinely think I'm still alright with taking a long rate. Nah, that's a daily provider right below. I genuinely might take one long here just because of the range. Alright, I've entered with two micros there. Just because we're edging, if you see this pattern that we've been having, it's just that we're in this range here. We have this daily provider, but if we want to touch that, we will touch it here or here. I'm just going to go with the current trend. I am currently up on this trade. I don't know if I should move from break even or not, because I feel like I want to see us just fly here. I don't really want to see us return back. I think I will be happy taking a break even here. I'll show the trade that I took though. Alright, I took this. Yeah, I just want to see the V-shape recovery continue. Because this is kind of a risky trade. But if I want to see this range continue, this could be a really nice trade. Yeah. It looks like I've cooked though. We don't want to see us hit. Yeah, this trade's cooking differently. Fuck me, I'm already up 1-0. I'm in with 2 micros, so I think it is probably sensible if I take out, if I don't go for this whole move all the way up. If I trim some at a certain point. I need to figure out when I want to trim, I can't know. Is there any higher time frame gaps that we've created? Because I feel like we could just start ranging in it because we have this create a new range. This is kind of confusing me. Let me see what I'm trying to. So we did take out that protection. No, fuck that accumulation. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Yeah. There is news soon. I'll stick to my normal narrative. I want to see us close at least a daily opening price. Daily opening price is here. I think we'll take out this LR. We could possibly get stopped out of break even here. But I do want to see us continue higher. I'm showing my stop loss beneath this this candle right here. So I don't want to see us return to it that fast. Okay, that's showing weakness in the trade. Here. And yeah. Alright, that's gotten taken out. Okay. Yeah, so basically, how many points even was that? Yeah, I got stopped out. Yeah, let me try to think. Okay. That trade just made $40. Okay, so I think what might be wise here is to look for just some bullish signatures. So, like either a woman IFG to the upside or just displacement out of the range. Might be nice. You get me? Makes pretty good sense to me. And there's some nice displacement out of the range. But we did it inverse at 2 minutes. Is there a 3 minute? No, there's not 3 minutes. So yeah, this is pretty valid to me. There's no IFGs in either. So yeah. If we have run into yeah, don't like that weakness though. Can't lie. But I do think we probably will go up from here. But zooming out, it kind of looks weird. Like we took out this high, came all the way down, and it looks like something where you want to go even higher. I mean lower. News just came out as well. So let's see how that affects this. If we're looking at the 1 minute chart, yeah, so yes, I want to see that properly close above. Okay, looks like we're bullish then. Right, I've placed a buy limit at 2 up here, so that wasn't entered. So that's just a breaker structure to the upside. Nice bullish candle in there. I think I'm on the right side of narrative as well. Because even if we are bearish, after taking this much liquidity out, we should rebalance into like 50% of the range. I'm in with 2 micros, so yeah, I think what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take out 1. Nah, but I think we're still going to close bullish. I think I'll find out what 50% of the range is, take 1 micro out there, and then stay in with the rest. Because we did respect this LFEG as well. If I just want to add an extra confidence in there, and then I basically undrop the displacement of that. So, yeah, okay, let me see this shit. Let me figure out this new range. Okay, well, pretty easy spot. Yeah, that's a new range I think we're going to play within. ES has this at all there. I'm really want to see that taken out. If I just want to secure some profits for the day. We did inverse this 4 hour to the downside, but I don't give a fuck about that. It was just to get some more liquidity. We would have inversed 1 hour to the downside, yeah, definitely. this is a range that ES is in. Not the current range. If we're ignoring all this shit here, this is just the range that we could just play within. Oh, wait, let me actually draw out the trade that I just entered. Okay. Yeah, 62 minutes stop loss. I'm a man, you go crazy for the cash. Green lemon give me different tags. Riding through the city 30 mad. Extension of the police with no bag. How I grew up, my mama with my dad. So when I blow up, I put her in the bag. I let the door when I think about the crash. I fell when I hit the tree, I swear to God. Looking at the sky, think about my bag. When I used to keep the door, shoot you for the cash. Everybody with the flow for you make me mad. Yo, I had a nigga soul looking too fast. And my stop loss is pretty protected because that's an LFVG. I don't want to see us coming back down there. Normal for that. Could have kept my original entry down there, but I'm happy with it. No, but I still think I was on the right side of the narrative, so I could have taken that risk still. Can't I? I'll see about that after. But if I'm looking back on it, I probably should have trusted my higher entry narrative. But this, to be honest, I might. This is more of a mechanical entry though. It makes more sense. It's actually just an extra confirmation. Yeah, because the way we went up after that's kind of weak. We do look kind of weak now, I can't lie. Could be a slow grind up. Yeah, that could genuinely just be. I think I might trim out at 1R. Take one contract out of 1R. Just because of like how we were moving earlier. Yeah, and how we're showing some signs of weakness. I think I'll take out 1R. Yeah, that seems pretty good to me. Right there, I have one. I'll just show on screen as well. No, I'm just trimming out 1R there because that'll just get me $120 out, and then I'll probably move to break even. Or I might just keep my stop. I might keep my stop in there. We'll see. Because that's also rebalancing the 50% of the range. There. And if we are exhausted after moving this many points, not having much liquidity in the markets, then yeah. Let's see. looks like we're soon gonna hit that 1 hour point. We respect this 3 minute fair value gap here as well. No 4 minute, no 5 minute, no 2 minute. So, yeah, so the only reason I'm taking a partial here is just in case we end up ranging within here. And if it ends up being that type of day, I'll just take my profit. And I'm going to move to break even once we hit my 1 hour as well, can't I? Because if it's a slow day, I think we're just going to bring in here, piss about. And then, otherwise I want to just see us go pretty fast, can't I? I want to see this at all get taken out on ES. And probably just return back to all-time highs and continue the pattern that we've been doing, which is just that. ES is still doing this arranging shit. I can't believe it took out that low and didn't just stay for life as well. But everyone else will be like anticipating that to happen. But we didn't do it here. We didn't do it here. So I was just betting on that we wouldn't do it again. Okay, looks like we're about to hit my 1 hour mark. Okay, there we've taken out 1 hour. Well, that is 60. So that just took out $100. Made like $40 on the last trade, so that's 150 up today. I'm moving my stop loss to break even, and the thing I like about this trade is that we're literally respecting these theories, the bullish theories, bullish revival, and then what the fuck's going on here? Even on ES, this is a tiny 3 minute fair value gap. Respected that very nicely. We took out. What time was it? Yeah, this is we took 1 hour out at 3:11, and yeah, we are starting to go pretty fast now. And we are going up with some speed now. And if we start lagging, it'll probably be around here. Because we're in 50% of the range that we've created here. Taking all this high, taking all this liquidity here. If we want to start queuing again, it'll be around this point. If not, we're going to move with speed, so I think I'll manage this position really well. And yeah, I want to see some speed here. If we start showing signs of weakness, I'm trying to contemplate whether I'll just like take out my 1 micro or not. Because that means I can predict if we're going to actually range or not.
No weddings, no horse, no carriages. I want to do things different and change the narrative. God knows you are a wild child, beautiful child. I need your help. Looking like you come from the 90s by yourself. My mom's 61. My favorite line to tell her son is sometimes she wishes she had a girl. I want to take you back to the time, back to a trip. You had that white wine that I never got to sip. And dinner wasn't real because you never got the pick. I know that everybody told me that I'm sick.
NQ and MNQ are so different because on MNQ my stop loss is below this. Is that 3 minute rebalance as well? Well then, let's see. Yeah, well that's a 3 minute rebalance, so my stop loss is below. Oh, beautiful then. Yeah, well I guess, yeah, I think NQ and MNQ are just fucked with me. then, and I'm planning on just holding this trade. I'd like to see us continue it. Oh, we're going with the speed I said I wanted. Really good trading day so far. Yeah, my high tech right now, if I'll just hold this trade. Fuck me. Maybe I shouldn't have taken out my fucking 1 micro, mate. Look how we're going. No, but it's just I like doing that. Because if it ended up being a bad day, I think I'd rather take the profit. Yeah, see, look, ES is lagging around this 50% area. But NQ ain't lagging. I'm trying to think why. Maybe ES has just been weaker in general. Look, we have this trend line going downwards here. Trying to build up for the team and NQ. Yeah, so I think. I'm not sure if I should just manage this position or if I should just let it run to profit. And imagine I'm just trading beneath fair value gap retracements at like where my stop loss is here. Yeah, well, my stop loss here. I mean, it's in profit anyways. Well, like by a 2. Yeah, I mean, ES is lagging and NQ isn't. Well, I think that's probably just because NQ is stronger in general as well. Look. It's been taking all these highs all year. I'm just gonna put pressure on that. One micro as well, mate.
What's the call? In love with the money, it's fucking mom. You fuck on my bro, I can't fuck with y'all. I don't wanna unless you don't do the dog. I got everything I ever prayed for. Shawty gon' suck it right through the drugs. Piece of the ones I forever lost. Piece of the money, I ran it up. If she bad, Michael Jack, I'ma let it know. And if she do, I should say that I can't let it go. Oh, I can't let it go. 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 On and on. She go on and on, bitch get up off my motherfucking phone. I was digging knockers, get these bands on my lawn. Collect that shit and fuck it all, New brand, I'ma see you later, shawty. New brand, fuck about that all. I know what I do, cause I am who I am. I don't need a reason or an explanation. That's the way it is, way. That's the way it is, way, and I'm my own.
I don't know what ES is doing here. I don't know why it's going lower. There's nothing for it to get attracted to here. Yeah, it's just taking out that low that we had in the Ferrari. That's kind of weird. I don't like that. At the same time, it's not NQ, so I guess I'll hold my position so NQ does some kind of drop like that, I guess. But it might just show signs of... That's beautiful. Yeah, well, we haven't shown any signs of retardation, so let's see. I just find it weird how ES can always just lag like this when NQ's doing this, vice versa. Fucks with my head. Makes me think that we're gonna do the same. But ES has been just weaker in general recently. But I do want to see it fucking take out this at all though. It's weird, man.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like stocking. I caught her on my head with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy. I'm somebody's father. I gotta go kiss it. I when I go kiss it, I put my lips on it like somebody bought it. The diamond negation, the card in the
I'm trading below this 5 minute because I want to see us respected nicely. Otherwise, I think we're just gonna play around in this area for now. Do you know what I mean? Especially since we took all this equity up here. I don't know, it's kind of... So I'd want to see it get hit fast. I'm expecting every single PD array.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of the toxins. Sports in the top 10. What bracket? Brand new whip, new mansion. Brand new tip, new dance.
Yeah, I think it might be stupid in days to, if you anticipate when you buy a price action, to trill your stop loss while you're still in discount of the range. Because we'll probably fuck about here, which is normal. Because we might sort of inverse bullish PD arrays, but we'll still hold it. It's just deeper retrace. Yeah, I'm shutting down. Wait, I swear NQ is rebalancing for this 5 minutes, but MNQ didn't. Yeah, the fuck? Oh, I'll do that now.
I got options. I can pass that bitch like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked-in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. With a rich nigga want you, and your nigga can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. Yeah. See, just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. Make a broke bitch rich. But I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a broke girl with some fake titties. I took her to the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. Rolling up that vibe, Molly, I'm a rockstar. She wanna do drugs. Smoke weed, get drunk. She wanna see a nigga trap. She wanna fuck all the rappers. When a rich nigga want you, babe. And your nigga can't do nothing for you. Nothing, no. These hoes ain't loyal, no they ain't. These hoes ain't loyal. Yeah. Black girl with a big booty. She a bad bitch, let's get to it. We up in this club, bring me the vibes. I know, girl, that you came in this bitch with your man. I said, no, girl. All this money in the air, I wanna see you dance. Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. To make a broke bitch rich. But I don't fuck with broke bitches.
I'm in a Clash Royale game and I'm trying to chop at the same time. It never goes well for my Clash Royale game. The form's so good.
Chains got bigger for parking. Jackal, switching 4 lanes with the top down, screaming out, money ain't a thing. Me and CB in the bay with her. I send her back home so you can lay with her. Okay, let's talk about this ice that I'm carrying. All these carrots like I'm a fucking vegetarian. Shout out ECF, keep a red phone wet. Rose Rolex, hoes on deck. She know I got a check. Do it too good when she ride that dick. Man, I wouldn't trust that bitch. No. Come on, girl, why you front? Baby, show me something. When I call her, she gon' leave. And I bet that $5 she gon' cheat. Come on, girl, why you front? Baby, show me something. You just spent your bread on her. And it's all for nothing. A rich nigga want you, babe. And your nigga can't do nothing for you. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. Only one on top, but I'm on you. I'm a bust her wrist out cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been on pool. She an addict for the lifestyle and the paddock. Daddy, how you a professional fashion? I be dripping to death, I need a casket. Baby got more stress in the rough, we foul temper. In the middle of the field, like David Beckham. All my niggas locked up for real, I'm trying to help them. When I got a bill, got me the chill, don't know what happened.
Well, what we've done here is we've rebalanced into the 5-minute, displaced all the little range that we were in. And it looks like we've inversed this 2-minute as well, so I don't want to see us coming below here again. Yeah. Looks like we are. We've got this, just this running up here. And this trail below this as well. I do want to see some speed though. I do want to see some speed to the upside. Just because we broke all this range. I don't want to see us. And we inverse this as well. Like, if it's not speed, then we're probably. That's probably like the most we want to go today. Because we are just about to fill this 15-minute as well. Maybe that's all we wanted to do. If you look at ES, it's respecting this for like well 50% of it. Whereas NQ has closed about 50% of this, so that's how I want to see some speed anyways.
Pull up with a demon on guard, looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up with a demon on guard, looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Yeah, why you keep asking me about? She's not here right now, she's not here right now. Why am I the one you wanna get into it with?
I just have noticed as well that we have created this fair value gap, this 15. I think what I'll do is, I could keep my stop loss where it is, and if I want to re-enter, I could re-enter on the rebalance onto this 15-minute. Possibility. Because we do normally just fuck about at the 50%, and then we'll probably drop back down to where that is. Yeah, it looks like we're about to do that. But I don't know what the fuck ES is doing, I can't lie. Yeah, so this could be that happening. Okay, there. We've taken that position out there. It's at 336. Up 339 on the day so far. And let me see this now. I'm gonna go back into MN and actual NQ so I can look at what the fuck's actually going on. Okay, so it genuinely just depends on how we start to act at this fair value gap. And because it could be time to chop, because this is at 50% of this range already. So I'm not really fond of taking entries around here, but let's see how price action's been. It's been pretty good, to be honest. It has been behaving itself. If we get a nice V shape out of this, yeah, that's all I'll do. If we get a nice V shape out of this 15 minute, I'll take that.
Remember one night I went to Erica Badu's house. She made tea for me. We talked about love and what life could really be for me. She said when that shit is real, you just know. And I was thinking about you, you already know.
Yeah, there's nothing else for ES to turn to.
The other night Chubb showed up at my house. He had weed for me. That my nigga till we gone, keep his ear to the street.
There's no way. I feel like this is where ES is gonna start flying. I have just a gut feeling.
Yeah, already. Girls talking about you gotta leave already. Let my little nigga turn 4 already. Yeah, you love help, you need more already. Damn, you need more already. When you say your mind, I was yours already. 22 had the belly for a door already. Even as a boy, I was the boy already. So you know that in me pussy galore already. Mention other girls.
I don't like how we're not getting a retracement into this though. It's kind of weird.
Already. Fuck them hoes, you got the award already.
It doesn't really make much sense.
Already. No, I do this shit for Third Ward already. No, I do this shit for H-Town already. Already. Yeah. Back up in this thing, it's a go. Had a couple niggas out of pocket, now they know. Ain't the first time, cause I lost you before. Had to get it back, had to get it back. Had to pull it back because I know I'm on the road. Had to take it back because I know you're down the road. If you could get it from me, you could have it, now you know. All your friends asking where you stand with the boy. FaceTime say you got plans for the boy. Studying your body, that's exams for the boy. Take a flight here, pop a Zan for your boy. Waking up in Amsterdam with the boy. Long flight home, another Zan for the boy.
I'm gonna play Clash Royale in the meantime.
You would probably kill another man for the boy. You would probably lie about it on the stand for your boy. Put the Bible to your right hand for the boy. That's why you ain't never gotta worry about the boy. You know you got that really good insurance on the boy. You just gotta pack a bag and hurry to the boy. Yeah. Why? I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. But every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Well, yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of every day Christmas. You'll track your wish list. I probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away your free Mercedes like, here, let me have this. And last but not least, where's somebody that lasts? It's been a couple months that I've been single, so in the mornings, political etiquette. Toss a couple million in the air just for the heck of it. Keep the vibes, funny, his and biz completely separate. Yeah, I be in a whole new tax bracket. We in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I probably take whatever's left and just split it up. So everybody that I love can have a couple bucks. And now the single tummy around me. When no one hungry was, eating good, sleeping soundly. I know we all have a similar dream. Go in your pocket, pull out your wallet, put it in the air and sing. I wanna be a billionaire, so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Alright, yeah, a different city every night. You swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. When I'm a billionaire. I wanna be a billionaire, so fucking bad. Look, you know I love a tiger. She got the buns I admire. I'm at the butt, I bet your car. I'm about to say Audie the wire. You know I love a tiger. I skirt on her ass like a tire. She like Poppy on fire. She like Poppy on fire. 4-4 barking, ain't louder than the church choir. I do a drill in the suit. Then I change my attire. Look, she throw that ass back in a quick sec, change her clothes, and then make a Snapchat. Then she go talk about it on her Facebook. I'm like, baby, I thought you was past that. I'm trying to put you in my worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Every point two just to hurt you. All good love just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Need your whole year in a week too. Yeah, main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. House of empty need a centerpiece. 20 rocks a tablecloth from ebony. Cut that ever into skinny pieces. Then she feed up with her face, but I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking mommy, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, like to get it laid. Switch on my car if I kill anything. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star. Every day a nigga try to test me. Every day a nigga try to end me. Pull up in that roadster SB. Pockets overweight and hefty. Coming from the king, that's a far cry. I come alive in the fall time. The competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue moon, so I'm a new edition. House of empty, need a centerpiece. 20 rocks a tablecloth from ebony. Cut that ever into skinny pieces. Now she feed up with her face, but I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, like to get me laid. Switch on my car if I kill anything. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star. Let a nigga bracket, legend of the fall, took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek cruise in the Wraith the Con. Girls get loose when they hear the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause. House of empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks of tablecloth from ebony. Cut that ever into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, but I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade.
I want to feed him. We won't retrace into this 15. It's weird how we would just edge it though. Maybe because we already have a retrace into this 5 minute. But still would have liked to see it. I'm happy that I took that thingy because it's a New York EM session that I would like to see us move fast to my target. Oof, wait, that's actually a really big tell that we might range on NQ. It's a very big tell. We took out this high. That's in 75% of the range that we're currently in. Ooh, that's kind of scary. The higher technical narrative is still bullish. Damn, but that is kind of scary though. It's very concerning. But at the same time, ES is also in discount of its range. Alright, let me see what I'm going to do here. So we have no fair value gaps here. So I might just have to take a trade based off of V-shape. We have fair value gaps really premium into the range. What's this looking like? That's fair value gap. Can we trade this out? Okay, looks like we want to go long here. Based off this displacement. Alright, I've bought. And what's my stop loss? This one filling up in 3 minutes already formed. I think that might be my break-even point. That's from to there. Okay, once ES or NQ touches. Yeah, I think once ES touches that, I'm gonna move to my stop loss to break even. NQ. Well, okay, we've touched that, so I've trailed my stop loss below this candle. I want to see us fly now. I don't want to see us lag. They're de-risked 22 points. I'm going to start drawing on my entry now. This candle is there. I'm going to take one partial. I'm in with 3 micro, so I'm going to take one partial at the top of this range here, move to break even, and I'm going to go. Or I might actually take, that's a 2-hour trade, you know, I might just take 2. It's a 2-hour trade, so I might take. ES has been ranging, but I just took out the lowest liquidity. I do want to see us push up higher. I know we tapped into that 2-minute, but I still want to see us push up higher. Damn, it looks like we're hitting my stop loss here. Damn. No. Okay, so we hit my stop loss there. Only up 200 on the day now. Entered at 351, stopped out at 355. Damn, I didn't think that was a bad trade. Because maybe we're just going to come all the way down here now in this range. Maybe my theory was correct. I don't like this weakness that we're showing now though. It's an interesting one. Okay, so this is an area where we could start ranging for the rest of the day. So that was a good exalt the first trade, and I could have left that for the day. But this is a nice 15-minute, and there's a nice entry. But it is still in the middle of the range, and that's what I was trying to avoid. So what was the point of me re-entering after taking that? So I re-entered it, trying to avoid the accumulation. Now we've got internal manipulation here. ES showing some strength after taking that internal liquidity. Should I look for another entry? A de-risk entry? But I feel like after our first entry didn't show that much strength. Because ideally I would have wanted to see us respect and go up higher. That shows that we are showing signs of chop. So I think I'll just leave it at this. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. We might just sort of, yeah, we might genuinely just inverse this. Well, looks like we might. Kind of closure wise. Even if it's against the bias. Yeah. This right here is where take another trade here, you know, fully. Because we have got internal manipulation in there as well. Okay, I have entered again. What this entry is we got internal manipulation in that 15-minute. After that one failed. Middle of the range. But it's also the fact that this 15-minute didn't actually inverse this. Like if we were going to range, we would have probably held that. If we inverse that, yeah, true. I couldn't do to break even once. Yes, it's that. Because I really do want to see some strength out here. I didn't realize I probably didn't even show my last trade on the screen. This one's. Okay, so I'm going to take out a 1-to-1. I'm in with 3 micros. I'll take out 1-to-1 at this high. And let the rest run. In case we now reach recognize. I did also just realize that I haven't de-risked the second trade. Alright, we're about to hit that 3 minute. Okay, I'm moving to break even now. I'm at break even. Okay, there, I'm at break even because we tapped into that 3 minute on ES. I want to see us shoot through that with speed. My stop loss is below the body of this candle. Well, literally at that orange line I've just created. I'll just pull out my fucking. Yeah, so if we don't show strength here, then I'm probably anticipating us to just start chopping around at this level. And yeah. Okay, it looks like we're rejecting that, but let's see how much we reject. Wait. Okay. And that's me done for the day. Don't have faith in that trade no more. Not enough speed for me. Break even at 4 or 5. Yeah, even if we retrace into here and go, I really wanted to see a lot of speed, so I'm happy with that. And end of the day on 206, happy with that as well. I'll see if I regretted taking this trade here after my last trade. Maybe if I'm going to re-enter any trades after my first trade, I should probably use half size since I'm already up in the day. That seems like it would make more sense. No, but then I wouldn't even be able to scale the position, so I don't know, I'll have to think about that. It's been good anyways. But this second trade was definitely a good trade as well. I think it is genuinely just time to chop. I think I'll probably have to start researching if ES is lagging, if I should even take trades on NQ, especially for an equilibrium of the range. Yeah, but we're definitely chopping about like a shit ton here. I need to go check. I think this is going to be low volatility chop now. Before we're in high volatility chop here. Maybe it's to run 15 minutes, but maybe here we're going to be slowly chopping around them. Maybe I should have kept that in mind because I was still in that mentality. But today has been lower volatile compared to that. Actually, nah, it's been similar to be honest. I don't like this on ES as well because we just started showing strength. I don't like how we just took that out. Yeah, this is literally chop conditions. Very chop conditions. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, I'll have to review this. Alright, bye.